Let us create a series. Under Sets, Sequence, there you have that component. Make sure you do not set it to 0 because we are going to multiply. Set it to 1 or 2. And I only need 5 numbers. So if we connect this, we're going to get this list 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, I already have the component that we're going to look at today, and that is mass multiplication. Under Math, Operations, there you have mass addition and mass multiplication. So this one is going to give us this result. 2, 6, 24, 120, etc. How did it happen? Well, quite simple. Look at this. Be careful. 2 multiplied by 3 equal to 6. 6 multiplied by 4, 24. 24 multiplied by 5, 120. And 120 multiplied by 6 is 720. So that's more or less how the mass multiplication works. And of course, you have that number over here as well, 720. So one more time, you find it right there.